That cow is so happy. Oh my god, these dogs. Okay, focus. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be seeing what kind of person I am as seen in my Pinterest boards. So Pinterest is something that's incredibly important to me, and it's been the source of my sense of identity since I was in middle school. And so since I've had it for so long, I've built up a sort of concrete aesthetic that I adhere to at every point in time. But I also am a little unsure what exactly is my aesthetic. Now I have a board that's called #Isabella Core Aesthetic, and it's not cohesive. It's not, my aesthetic changes. What I like changes. So today we are going to analyze, I don't know why anyone would want to watch this, but we're gonna analyze my Pinterest and make a digital ultimate Pinterest board from the pins that I've already made. So this is like a digital mood board, if you will. I'm going to hopefully make a color palette from my pins. I'm gonna pick out some of my favorite ones and create the ultimate collage. So first I want to go through my Pinterest boards and kind of walk you through what this looks like. So I do have quite a few private boards. I have 10 boards total, and some of them I use more than others. Like there's one entitled Let's Reinvent Myself. Right now it only has 12 pins, and it's also like self-help books that I want to read, and maybe some TED Talks, and like a tweet that says, I aspire to be a woman who wakes up and loves what she does for a living every day, travels often, spiritually secured and financially stable. That's some tea. My favorite board of all time. So right now it's called Iconic. Iconic is just like the phrase I use constantly. So that's why it's now like my Twitter bio, it's my Instagram bio, it's everything to me. This board used to be called Let's Reinvent Myself when I first created it when I was in high school, and I created this board to like reinvent myself and like figure out who I am. And I spent the next like 3 years cultivating just like who I am in my head, who I want to be. Then I named it Isabella Always On Brand Matejka, because then I became that person. I am that person. And now it's iconic, but it's a lot of black, a lot of pink in your area. Pink is my favorite color. As you can probably tell, my walls are pink. I love pink. It's my favorite color. It makes me happy. It looks good with my skin tone. And like, I think that's why I've always loved pink, but like the resurgence of it being my favorite color was because I just look good wearing pink. I have 2 fashion boards. One's like more for like, you know, those like polyvore like things. And then I have like a travel one, and then I have a food one where it's literally just bread. And then I have my ceramic board where I just like pin inspo. Isabella Core Aesthetic is literally like everything. It's like, there's this beautiful painting that I love. There's like a lot of beaches. There's a lot of like pink fridge. There's a pink fridge. Like interior design, animals, a lot of animals, wine, bread, like literally just random pictures of bread, and like sheep and cows and dogs and goats. Like it's truly like just what makes me happy, like what brings me joy, what makes me feel calm. Now I want to try and create a color palette from my Pinterest boards. So I'm going to pixelate it to 95. Yes, okay. And then I'm going to like eyedrop one color from each. So like this one's very beige. I think I'm satisfied with this color palette. It looks kind of dumb, but looks like I threw up all over with paint. This was an accident, but it's truly looking so good. Wait, I'm onto something here. Okay, that was kind of fun. It made it into like a little, wow, okay, that was an accident. I love that for me. Aesthetic. Let me tell you, we've got wine in a plastic cup. This was quite easily the most mentally and physically draining activity I could have possibly chosen to do today. Like, I really just was like, oh, this is gonna be like a walk in the park. It's gonna be like an easy, fun activity. And I have ended up with over an hour of footage and this. It's beautiful. I disagree with a little bit of it, you know? Like, there's like little weird paint splotches that I think I could change, but like overall, it's pretty cool. I don't know why I did this. Anyways, there you have it. There's my Pinterest analysis, and I feel like I know who I am now, I guess. I guess this was a fulfilling experiment. I really recommend you try it. I mean, maybe I don't. It kind of took a long time, but I also think it was very fun to do in this situation. And I haven't been creative in like so long that like it was kind of fun. Like, it was kind of fresh. I kind of liked it. I kind of enjoyed it. There are parts of it that I really like. I feel like, no, I can't do anything to it anymore. Like, I just can't. I just will not. I would change some things, that is for sure. I could truly play with this for literal hours. There's just a lot going on. There's just a lot to see, a lot to look at. There's just a lot. I don't even know I don't even know what the original idea for this video was, because I think that so many things happened and so many hours had passed that I just don't even remember anymore. And it's not like I wrote it down. I just was like, I'm gonna go on Pinterest today and film it. And I did. What am I talking about anymore? I literally don't even know. Anyways, that's my collage. I feel like I know myself better, and I feel like it was fun, and I got to like go into my aesthetic, and I have a color palette. I have a whole color palette that it looks beautiful. I would recommend that you try it. I don't know what exactly I did, so I don't know what I should recommend for you to try. Maybe just make a collage. That's it. That's literally, what did I do today? Don't even know. I want to see. If you do it, send me a picture, because I want to see it. But if no one does it, that's okay too, because I respect that, because it takes a long time. And with that, I'm gonna drink the rest of my wine, and I'm never gonna do this again. So thanks for watching. I'll see what I come up with next to do. Goodbye.